Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on new chat message sound in Zoom. If you use Zoom regularly, turning on chat message sounds can be a helpful way to make sure you do not miss new messages while you are busy in meetings, chats, or other tasks. In this walkthrough, we will quickly go through where to find the setting and how to enable it. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access your account options and settings without any issues. If Zoom was already open, just bring the window to the front. Once you are in the Zoom app, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps your personal account menu, along with shortcuts to important options like settings. If you do not immediately recognize it, it is usually the small profile picture or account icon in that upper corner. After opening the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for the Zoom app, where you can adjust different preferences for meetings, chat, notifications, and more. Settings is the place to go whenever you want to customize how Zoom behaves. Inside Settings, find and click on Notification and Sound. This section controls the alerts and audio cues that Zoom uses to let you know when something new happens. If you rely on chat during meetings or throughout the day, this is an especially useful area to review. In the Notification and Sound section, look for the option related to new chat messages, then click the toggle button to turn on the new chat message sound. Once the toggle is enabled, Zoom will play a sound when a new chat message comes in, helping you stay aware of incoming messages without constantly checking the chat window. After turning it on, you can simply close the settings window and your change should be saved automatically. If you do not hear message sounds right away, make sure your computer volume is on and that Zoom is allowed to play notification sounds through your current audio device. And that's it. You have successfully turned on the new chat message sound in Zoom. This small setting can make a big difference if you want to stay responsive and avoid missing important chat updates. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped.